everyone, welcome back. This is Ryan, and today we're just going to delve into the market because the last time we made a video on Bitcoin about 3 to 4 days ago, we was up in these regions outlining that was expecting a dump from the 22,200 zone and the 23,000 zone back to the range lows that we previously moved up in a 5-wave manner. So you can see we got that dump. Let me just play a clip from the last video so you can see what we were saying, what was expecting, and possibly what might be coming up in the next few days, weeks, and months to come. And what I would say is watch out for the pullback, because if this is an impulse, we're undoubtedly going to get a pullback on the way. So this key range here that we've broke out from and that was in for quite a while makes the most sense to come back to. So from anywhere above here, above these liquidity zones would make sense. But around the 22,200 to the 23,000 zone, I'd be watching for at least a 3-wave pullback. So as you can see, from that region we made the video, we got the last spike up and even one more spike, which I think is a B-wave, and then dumped back down to the range that we broke out from. So this is the market structure that I'm looking at the minute, with that impulse to the upside and an ABC correction down here, back to the range. And if we pull the fibs from a trend-based Fibonacci from an A, B down to C, you can see we've just about, let me extend that, I'll extend that across and we'll be able to have a look at where we've come to. We've pretty much nearly nailed the bottom here of the 4.236 extension. So I'm looking for this move to be nearly complete, or if not complete, with these 3 spikes to the low. But I'm not really expecting much to happen in the market at the minute, because we've had moves up, we've had moves down. Traders at the minute have been destroyed. The impatient traders trying to catch every single move. They've been caught out by breaks down and breaks up, and they've just come back down to the range. So as we have entered back down to this range here, you can see we've got chop. I'm expecting more chop, but with these 3 hits to the low, it won't surprise me now to get at least a bit of a spike to the high, back above 20,000. Keep working that psychological 20,000 zone. Possibly like a 3-3-5, which in this crypto market, it's the 3-3-5 flats are everywhere, often results in, once again, another dump. And that could end up being the last one where we get some bullish divergence from there back to this little range that we was moving in before we broke up. So chop to be expected. Not really looking to trade this range at all. Really just trying to stay patient in this market, because we've had massive drops, and I think this is just part of a WXY in the higher time frame. So I'll zoom out now. I've shown people this in the past few videos, past 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, this WXY to the upside. So that could be coming next after sort of this chop that we might be expecting. Big move to the upside now. Everyone's scared again. In my last video I was saying up here, everyone on Twitter seemed bullish again and was looking to enter, and that's why I made a video saying watch out for the pullback. And it's what we've got. And now we're down here. Once again, I'm seeing sentiment on Twitter. Everyone's scared again. Everyone's fearful. People could say that CPI caused this move, but you know, the market structure was setting up for this move for a long time. This 5-wave move, it needs a correction. It's what the market does. It's what the market makers do. They love to play games, moving 3, 3, and 5s. Yeah, expecting a bit of chop, and let me zoom out. We'll have a look at that WXY, see if it's still a possibility to that 28,000 zone, and we'll probably wrap it up there. So as we moved over to the daily time frame, what I'd be watching for is this possible move, 1, 2, 3, and within there, we'll just make this a little bit smaller. Within there, this first one that we've got is a W, move back down is X, and the move back up is Y, which is a real possibility. Back to this trend line on the log scale. Do like the log scale. And yeah, that would really be a complete move, and then we'd have to analyze from there if we do get that move. So again, I think it's a nice time to be patient in the market. Not 100% sure of entering, but this little cluster here seems to be holding some crucial support at the minute. We've come out of it, we've come back down to it. If we break it, guys, I think we're going to 10,000, but let's keep hopeful. Everyone's scared now. Everyone's expecting 10,000 for Bitcoin, or even four digit numbers for Bitcoin. So often what the crowd's expecting won't happen. It might even get there, but in a way that we don't expect. So watch out for this bullish move now we've had the bearish move. So thank you again for watching, coming back, and I just recently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. So thanks for that, and thanks for watching. Give it a like, give me a subscribe, drop a comment down below. What do you think? Of course, it's not financial advice. It's never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's keep nailing these moves. Keep ahead of the market. Keep ahead of what the market makers are doing. Trying to picture what the market makers are doing and getting liquidity. That's how we're going to navigate the rest of this market, up or down. We'll always be here. So cheers, guys. See you next time.